Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another plan with me. So let's get started. I am using the seasonal stickers from Me and My Big Ideas, the Create 365, and I love this because it is, again, seasonal. So these 3 pages are all seasonal, and this is all I'm going to use today, other than my washi tape, and I chose 4 different washies, all in black and white, and I wanted to kind of go with some of the Halloween kind of feel on this one. And let's go ahead and get started. Of course, I am using my planner pages from beautyandthestamper.com. You can get them for free, and it's just weekly, and then you put a hole punch, or you can use your Happy Planner punch or your Erin Condren punch. You could cut them down to a smaller size. I've tried to do everything I can for everybody to use them, no matter what you are using. So let's go ahead and get started. I love this little washi tape. It's super pretty, kind of Moroccan, but I loved the black and white and wanted to make sure that I used that on here. So I'm going to put this one down a little bit lower there. And then, as most of you who've watched before know, I'm going to be just using my Target gift card today. I always pick up gift cards here and there, especially when they are super cute, so that I can use them on my washi tape. And then I just take my washi tape and turn it over like that, so next time I don't have to fiddle like I did this time. And then I'm going to go with this. Now this one is a little bit different. I'm going to take this one and kind of measure it out here. I'm going to use this one with some scissors. And again, I'm going to measure where I want it. And go right here. And the reason I'm doing that is because this is a paper tape, not a washi tape. So I should probably have my take your pick tool. Because you just take the paper backing, or the backing off of the paper tape, and then you go ahead and put that right where you want it. Ooh. There we go. We got things falling over here, doing some DIYs, making some cards today. Got all kinds of everything going. Now, I also wanted to use these little bats because they're so cute. I think I got these at Target. This is the first time I'm opening it, so let's see. They are so adorable. Look how cute those are. Again, these are paper. Oh, I wanted to put them right here. These are paper. So you have to cut them yourself again. And then they just come off like stickers. These would be great for like scrapbooking. Let's see here. There we go. Once you get it started, it's easy. It's just getting it started. So we're going to come down and we're going to go right over the bottom notes line. There we go. Isn't that so cute? I love it. It is a little glittery, so if you don't like glitter, don't use that. And it's almost, you can't really tell that it's a bat because of these little lines down there, which I really like it. All right, we're going to go in with the polka dots now, and the polka dot ones are, again, the paper tape. So we're going to go like that. And then we're going to go like this because I want them to be on their own. There we go. I'm telling you, half the fun is playing with this washi. Well, when I can get it off, right? Half the fun. We could be here all day. Little fact, if you see, and you probably all know this already, but if you see ads, that means that the video has been monetized, but you cannot put ads on the end of your videos unless your videos are over 10 minutes long. So sometimes you'll see people stretch it out like that. This was definitely not on purpose, just so you know. That was a complete accident. I'm putting this lower because I want to give myself enough room for my gratitude. But yeah, there's little tricks that people play, and they purposely make their videos longer. For me, I don't edit much, so it just, you guys see. I mean, I'm not an actor either, so you could tell if I were doing this just to make my videos longer. And really, my videos are super long, so I definitely try not to make it longer than it needs to be. But sometimes I do enjoy chatting with you guys, so I'm not too worried. Okay, we've got our polka dots there, and then I'm coming back to this one because it's just beautiful, and I think these two would work really well together. And we're gonna just see how easy it is when I left that little tab there. It just quickens life up much easier. All right. And then I think I'm going to just use this one. I'm enjoying this little black and white theme. We are going to color it up with some stickers, but I think where we have it, I don't think it looks nice, but I'm going to need more room for that on Saturday, so I'm just going to leave that one there. All right, now we can get into our stickers. We'll start with Monday there, and we'll go to these guys. And you can take the 3 pages out if you'd like, however you would like to do it. But when I do this, I start with my bigger stickers first. Place things where I want them. And it's not Halloween yet, but we're at least going to be using the colors. My Mondays and my Thursdays are the busiest. So that's where I'll put my so much to do. And then I will also go over here and get my little stickers that have these stars next to them for my list of things that I'm going to be doing today. There we go. And then I also know on Thursday I'll have a list of things that I need to do. We'll just put another one right here. And then when I put these down, I also know that I need to keep this space here free. So if I put any stickers or anything like that, I will know. For this one, it says take note. I'm going to put that right over my notes section right here. Is that cute? All right, this little "Let's Do This" sticker is going to go right here. And that is my, actually I'm going to put it right up here. My Wednesdays, another day that I have things to do. Piano is that day. And on Friday is going to be my daughter's birthday. So I'm going to put this one right here because we're going to have a dinner for her. I am going to be heading out of town this weekend here. So I'm going to put "Let's Do This" because it's going to be a quick turnaround. I guess I really could have put some washi there because really I'm going to be driving. No, that's not true. I have things I have to do. I have a party and whatnot. So we've got, oh, for gratitude, I'm going to be using this little guy that says "Fall in Love with Fall," because I am always grateful when it comes to fall there. And I'm going to save this one for Halloween, save this one for Thanksgiving, and to get the kind of two mirroring, I'll put these little bats on here. And where should I put these little bats? Actually, I think I'll put one right up here. And then I'll just mirror it with another one. Well, no, I'll put two. I'll put two right here. And then my to-do lists, I'm going to come right over here. I'm going to change my "to" remember. And then I will put in here, remember to do. I'll put on here, remember to buy. And I'll put on here, remember to go. So we've got that. Now these are a little bit off, and when you do something like that, don't worry about it. Just put something in its place. So you can put, like, they have these little stars here. You can put those there like that. And then put another one over here, and that's gonna kind of make it so you can't see it. You could also, I could have used the pumpkins, the little candy corns there. In fact, I'm gonna put the little candy corn down here. It's so cute. And I'm going to put today is the day. Again, this is birthday day. Usually when it's somebody's birthday, I try and put all of their stuff right in there. And then I'm going to use this little to-do here. And move this all the way over here. For my self-care. And I think we're pretty much done here. If I have other little things to do, like these stickers are so great. if you don't have a lot of things to do, you can just put that today and then go back over here and put your little things that you want to do. Like you might have one or two things that you need to do. This would probably be better for 2 or 3 things that needs to be done. And then your second thing would just go right there. And it adds that little cuteness, and it lets you know, well, I've been putting things on crooked all day today. So, just like that. And then we've got our goals, and I think I'm going to leave my goals and my habit tracker just as is. But I am going to put this little pretty piece right here. Just like that. Oh, see how cute that is? And all that was just from a few pages of the sticker books. I love the sticker books. They seem like they're a higher price, but $19.99. This was from Hobby Lobby. You could always use your 40% off coupon there. Sometimes Michael does not have them on sale, so you could use your 60, 20, 50% off coupons there. So I hope you like this. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my plan with me's. Again, head over right to my blog and grab these for yourself, and you can make your planner along with me for free. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.